Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use the bulk uploader to upload thousands and thousands of products to Shopify in a matter of minutes. Now, before you do this, you need to make sure that you have a template. So if you haven't watched that video on templates, please go ahead and do so, but we can do a quick overview in this video also. So the first thing you need to do when you want to upload a lot of products to Shopify is first have a template set up. So when you have a template set up, it's going to look something like this. And here I have a template that goes to both Facebook Shops and Shopify, right? And let's just go ahead and edit this thing and check out what the settings are. So first you're going to need a title of your template. You'll need a quantity, a margin, and then you can set up additional Facebook Shops settings and additional Shopify pricing settings. I'm just going to leave it at that, but you can also have additional Facebook Shops settings and also Shopify settings right here. The most important thing out of all of this is to make sure that your sales channels are all checked, right? So make sure you have Shopify checked and all the Facebook channels checked. And what this is going to do is this is going to push your products from Fbmfox to Facebook and Shopify at the same time at once, right? The next thing you need to do is go to one of our suppliers. Okay, so we have a large list of suppliers here. There's AliExpress, there's Amazon, there's Costco, there's Best Buy, Costaway, eBay. There's a lot of suppliers that we have available. You just want to navigate to any one of them, right? So if you go to ebay.com, here's the supplier that we have. And then let's also do walmart.com. And then let's do amazon.com also, right? So every page of Walmart, has a bunch of products, and we can upload these products really quickly to Shopify. Now, what I want to say before you do this is that this is just, proof of concept. There's plenty of people who take the optimization approach, and there's plenty of people who take the approach of uploading thousands and thousands of products. Depending on your approach and depending on what you'd like to do, we say stick to that approach, right? We're not saying you need to upload this many products. We're just saying that our software is capable of doing that. And we want to build something that's versatile and capable of doing a whole bunch of different things. So in this video, we're kind of just going to go crazy and try and upload a lot of products, right? So here we go. So when you go to any page on eBay, at Walmart, Amazon, any of our 25 suppliers, you can just hit upload 82 products right here. And what it's going to show is the 82 products right here. And then just click on begin upload. And it's just going to go ahead and take this template that we chose here, and it's going to push the products into Shopify really slowly. It's going to update this as time goes on. It's going to show us the progress. All right, so once we went ahead and we hit begin upload, you'll see that the bulk uploader is quickly starting to work, and it's going through all the products and it's adding them to Shopify. If you go into our product section right here, you'll see that the products are being uploaded with the sales channels in beautiful green. All of them are just checked green right now. And you can also find them in your product section right here. So you'll see all of these things. For some reason on my eBay, the only thing that was there was like gloves. So all of these gloves are just being uploaded. Now we're at 38 products. We can also grab, a batch from Walmart, and we can grab a batch from Amazon. That's a good batch. That's 173 products. And if we go into our bulk uploader, got 250 products ready to go from Amazon and Walmart, and we're just going to begin that upload also. And, we just have to sit back and wait for all these uploads to go through. We're almost done with the eBay batch. 80 out of 82 products. 82 are done here. Now it's going to start doing the ones from Amazon and Walmart. And really, we just have to sit back and wait. Oh, there it goes. 6 products, right? So a way to check how many products are in your Shopify is there's a cool trick. If you're on this page right here, you can just delete the URL, go / and then count. .json. And what this is going to do is it'll show you, the products being uploaded. It's a little laggy, but it's a cool trick to show you how many products are being uploaded and is something actually happening or not, right? So you can see here the bulk uploader will just keep going and going. If there's a section of products, like let's say on AliExpress, that you want to upload to Fbmfox very quickly, you can easily go over to AliExpress, or let's say you sell products from Costco, right? Because Costco is a great wholesale supplier, right? Or even Overstock. Overstock is one of my favorites due to the incredible amount of cashbacks and coupons that they have. But again, you could just upload a whole page of their products. If you want AliExpress products, upload a whole page of theirs, and then go ahead and test these products out, whichever way your strategy of making sales is. All right, guys, that concludes this video and everything to do with the bulk uploader and Shopify and using it across multiple platforms. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. It's 7 days free to try, and then it's only $29 a month after that. You get a whole bunch of great things such as listing, product research, bulk uploading, all of those great things all under one roof. And now we're going to start supporting multiple platforms. So if you're interested, go ahead and join, and we're only going to get better. We're only going to refine our software as time goes on. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.